here once more. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare. Here's the star of the show, Callaloo, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Callaloo. And guys, yes, if you're wondering, I just have some medication here on my pimple. I don't like the way my pimple are just sticking up in my videos, so I thought I would just put some cream over it. Okay, guys, so don't mind the pimple. So guys, here are the ingredients I have. Okay, so the main thing would be the callaloo, right? The callaloo. And then, or saltfish. I have my saltfish here, guys, soaking for 2 days. So this saltfish, I'm not going to cook it. I'm just going to fry. I have the ingredients: thyme, scallion, pepper, tomato, garlic, onion, and I'm gonna be cooking. See guys, 3 weeks later, you see my green bananas are still ready to cook. I'm gonna be cooking them. And then black pepper, salt, allspice, and all-purpose seasoning. So guys, I'm just gonna be cleaning these pieces that I don't like. These pieces here that you don't like, you would just cut it away. Just some little things on the callaloo that we try to get rid of. Like when you take the leaf off, you'll see this piece here. That piece. But I guess some people cook it with not worrying too much about these pieces. I don't get rid of all of them. I don't get rid of all of them, guys, but I try to get rid of most. Yeah, it takes time to be taking these leaves apart, so I'm not going to be doing all that. I'll just, you know, cutting away like these bumps that has little blemishes. And also I'm going to be cooking the 3-finger of banana. I may put some dumplings, guys. So guys, if your callaloo leaves are wilting, yeah, you're going to be throwing away any leaves that you see that you don't like. Like this piece, you would be cutting this piece away. I'm going to be washing it and then rinsing it 2 or 3 more times. And then I cut the callaloo up. So guys, here's the callaloo in the salt water. I'm just washing it. Because sometimes your callaloo plant in the backyard and then there's worms on the callaloo, and you know all kind of things get on the callaloo. So you want to clean your vegetable really good. So I have it here in some salt water. Maybe you could put some vinegar too, but I didn't put any vinegar. I'm washing it for a while here. Make sure the leaves are washed properly. And then, because this is a very important part before you go steaming, right? So I need to stress on this part. All washed clean. And I drain the water. I rinse it 3 times after washing it in the salt water. And yeah, so you put your callaloo together and then you cut. And as I said, guys, you wash your callaloo, go through your callaloo leaf by leaf and wash it carefully, because these plants carry, sometimes worm goes onto them, and even when they sell you the callaloo, you might find worm, okay, onto the leaves. So you have to make sure you wash it carefully with salt water. And you could put a little bit of vinegar in the water too. Okay guys, see? Yeah, I'm just cutting the callaloo up for steaming. Then I just have some stems left that, yeah, I will just carefully cut. Because these things, guys, like callaloo, when I'm buying callaloo, I need to point out, like, if this is not this green or a bit soft, if you find that it is like close to this color, like this big and close to this color, like it most likely, if it's reddish than green, guys, it's a tough callaloo. You don't want to cook that callaloo. Make sure it's green. If the stem is like red color, like maybe here, yeah, then you don't want to buy it, or even lighter, because that color is tough. Even when you cook it, you won't enjoy it. At least I don't enjoy. People throw this away, but you don't want to waste your callaloo. And you can also juice this part of it, guys. If you don't like to chew it, you can juice it, put it in your juicer the same way I juice the celery. Yeah, you could juice it because it's nutritious. Callaloo is very good for you. It has iron. So guys, while cutting my stem, I don't like the way this piece looks, so I'm just gonna throw it away. Decided to cook some dumpling, and I have cocoa yam here that I don't want to go bad. The main focus is on the callaloo. I'm gonna put some oil in it so it doesn't change its color. So guys, I decided to make some dumplings. You saw how I made a dumpling in when I made the soup, the chicken foot with the soup bone. I'm gonna be putting in what I did with these 2 bananas, guys. I put a line through them. I wash it carefully because you know other people are touching the produce, so you want to make sure you wash it carefully. Yeah, and then I cut both ends off. I washed it carefully and just put a line, so when it's time to peel, when the banana is cooked, you put a line in it. And that's what I did with the other 2. So it looks like it might not change the color of the other food stuff because I put the oil in the pot. And then now we're going to be focusing on the callaloo, okay? Because that is the topic of the video, callaloo and fried saltfish. That's probably like maybe 1/3 to 1/4 cup oil onto the callaloo to steam it. Probably 2 tablespoons of black pepper, guys. And I have the stove on so that it can start steaming. Sometimes I do it differently, guys. And I'm just gonna put some allspice. I don't like biting on the allspice, so I try not to at the end to pick them out. You could put the powder allspice also. And then all-purpose seasoning. Season to taste. The saltfish makes it the callaloo salty, guys. So you don't really need to put a lot of salt. Sometimes I would fry the seasoning with the saltfish, and then add the callaloo onto it. Guys, I'm gonna be putting a piece of the scotch bonnet pepper, and this thing, when you handle it, guys, don't touch your eyes because you will, like, your eyes will be burning, your eyes will be crying. So don't touch your eyes. And this scotch bonnet pepper, when you use it, don't let the seed go in your food unless you want something very spicy on your tongue. Yeah, the seed, like maybe 1 seed is fine. I have my garlic and the spices inside of this. I don't like to fry with too much oil, excess oil, so to fry that amount of saltfish, I think this is good. The saltfish here drying on the paper, guys. And then I'm just gonna put it in the fry pot. The callaloo is steaming, so I'm gonna turn this burner down. Turn the saltfish on. You're steaming, so you don't want to cook it on too much of a high. Black pepper. And allspice. You put some all-purpose seasoning on it, and you put black pepper also on this side. So when I fry my saltfish this way, guys, I enjoy it. I'm gonna turn the burner up because I don't want it to start steaming. I want it to fry. And some more black pepper. The food is done. I'll show it to you in a minute. But let me just concentrate on the saltfish. Callaloo taste is good. So guys, if the callaloo is too dry, you can tip water on it. So guys, I never clean the saltfish, but after I fry it, then I'll just scrape off the skin. because I don't want it to fall apart, okay? And it's much faster and easier this way too. And I enjoy the saltfish better. Yeah, so I'm just frying it dry. If there's no oil, I'll put a bit of oil in it. If it's too dry, the pot. You can test your callaloo by testing here. If the stock is cooked, then you're good. Same way you'll be steaming cabbage, guys. Like maybe just 4 tablespoons of water in this callaloo. Sometimes I would fry the saltfish in the same pot. Fry the saltfish and then put the callaloo on. And I would have to like clean up the saltfish the same way I did in the Ackee and saltfish video. My dumpling is cooked, my cocoa yam is cooked, and the banana. The banana is cooked. See, guys? So my banana, I would just peel the skin away. See, guys, and this banana, it retains its nutrients. See, after 3 weeks, I still have this banana green. It's not ripe banana. Within 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, your callaloo should be good. Yeah, so you scrape away the skin and then you just debone it. Like debone it, clean it up, and then, yeah, the way Jamaicans do it, they flake it up and then put it with the saltfish and mix it up. And basically that's it. So there you go, guys. I have the callaloo with fried saltfish and onion, guys. And as I said, like, and then yeah, I did make the dumpling. That's the dumpling here. I didn't show you in the soup video, but that's the dumpling mixed with the all-purpose flour mixed with the spelt flour, the green banana cooked in the skin, and this is the cocoa yam. So this is how Jamaicans would enjoy it, guys. Their callaloo and saltfish, or you know, with bread or whatever, fried dumpling. And then this is some of the same saltfish I deboned, and then I'll show you what I mean. Like, because the reason why I do it this way, because like for people that don't like saltfish or eat, yeah. So then in the pot you would fry the saltfish with you would do all that cleaning before, fry the saltfish with the seasoning, and then you know you put your callaloo on top and then you steam it, and then you would end up having your callaloo mixed in with the saltfish. But I think I like to have my saltfish on the side. Yeah, this is Jamaicans would do it, right? But I like to have my saltfish on the side. I don't want to have the saltfish mixed up with the callaloo. Okay, guys, so I'll do a taste test for you. I have my callaloo with saltfish, and I'm gonna taste it. It's perfect. And this is the scotch bonnet pepper. Let me taste it. It's okay, but if you put the seed in it, then you're in trouble. Be careful to debone your saltfish of the fine bones. Green banana with the callaloo. Cocoa yam. And your dumplings, you would cut it. Okay, cut the dumpling, but then because of time is against me, I'll just bite into the dumpling. It's flour, guys, flour. But I like it mixed. Jamaicans like to make their plain flour or whole wheat flour mixed with cornmeal, but I don't really love cornmeal. I like the spelt flour. The spelt flour is healthy. Put the recipe into the description area. And also, please, guys, give the video a thumbs up. Those of you that are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Callaloo. We have it for breakfast. Jamaicans like to have it for breakfast. You can have callaloo and rice, white rice, callaloo with the food that I showed you, callaloo with the food with bread, a cup of tea, even the chocolate tea I told you about. We love it with this. Thank you, guys.